Good day, Tristan here. So, basically, I am doing an engine swap. I have an LS1 in a VY Series 2 SS wagon. I've spent the last 2 years sort of getting together parts to build an engine. Finally, it's almost pretty much ready. I've still got a couple things to do. Given myself about 3 days to do the engine swap. It's been cammed. It's had some head work done, all new rings, all new bearings, all new seals, all new sensors, new fuel injector. The only thing I haven't actually done new is the coils. But throttle body's been serviced, like just pretty much a freshen up, but with a cam and some extra bits and pieces. So I've given myself 3 days to kind of do this. I probably will have a little bit of help here and there. So at the moment I'm just prepping everything. So I've got a couple of tools, hopefully to make my life a little bit easier. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's not too boring. But tonight, it's Thursday. What date? Thursday the 7th December. So yeah, give myself plenty of time anyway, like I said, or hopefully enough time. So hopefully tonight, what's time now? Sorry, it's 10 to 9. So I'll just prep everything, basically get it on wheel stands, get everything that's in the way out of the way, sort of thing. Get that thing or where I need it to be in that, and then tomorrow I suppose I'll just get into it. But yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on what I'm doing, and hope you enjoy. Cheers. Okay, so I recorded some of the stuff, but obviously not a lot. Pretty much, this is my progress so far. Just about ready to get everything out, and yeah, I've already got a small list of stuff I'll have to go to the shop to get. A couple of things kind of broke on the way out, which is pretty typical when it hasn't been taken apart for a while. But yeah, anyway, that's my progress so far. Alright, so today's Friday the 8th. It's 4 to 1 pretty much. This is the progress so far. just undone literally everything now. Gearbox has been detached. The torque converter bolts have been undone. I've had to make up a few little things to try and make it easier, as it was really painful to get to. Yeah, who thought doing it pretty much on the floor and jack stands was a great idea, but got to work with what you have. Yeah, so just about ready now to pluck it out. Everything should be pretty much undone. There might be a couple of little cables behind the engine that I can't reach until I try and bring it forward. Yeah, and pretty much get it from there. So that's the progress so far. I have a small list of items that I will need to go into town to purchase, as I'm kind of waiting to pull this out completely and then just get a full overall list of what I need. Hopefully, if they don't have it today, I can get some parts delivered for tomorrow, but yeah, see how I go. Anyway, that's the progress report.
Эта песня называется Just a Joke.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my thoughts. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill ourselves. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, but it's fine. But even laugh can make me feel. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, but it's fine. And even laugh can make me feel. We're the team, selling lies for ourselves, killing in the name of the damn loud. Is everything?
I use my expertise, so if you pull everything out, Tristan.
Well, the thing is because of the design and everything, because the chainsaw, it's not. The handles, then you can pick it up, pull it up, or whatever as well.
Are you going to have a full?
Okay, a bit more then, sorry.
Where is he going to go to, Tristan?
Of the damn loud. Is everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill ourselves. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, but it's fine. And even laugh can make me feel. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, but it's fine. And even laugh can make me feel.
Moment of truth.